Are you waiting for them to text you? Are you checking your phone every 2 seconds to see if they replied to your text? You're probably feeling anxious and overthinking everything right now. So do this tapping with me to get yourself back into your powerful center, because no man or woman is worth waiting around for. Trust me, you are so much more important. Do not stop living your life because somebody didn't text you back. Okay, this was a request from one of my YouTube subscribers. So thank you so much for leaving this request. Let me know if you guys have any other requests for future videos. Just leave them in the comments below. And before we begin, let's rate how anxious you are on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 is, I don't care if they text, and 10 is, oh my God, I'm so anxious. I want them to text right now. It's the end of my world. Okay, so keep that number in mind because we're gonna check back after the tapping. Okay, if you cannot do this tapping right now, definitely save it for later. But if you are able to do it right now, let's get started. We're gonna start on the side of the hand here. I'm waiting for them to text me. I'm pretending that I'm not, but I am. I need to stop lying to myself. I honestly want them to text me right now. I can't think of anything else. I can't do anything else. All I want is to talk to them. Even though I'm in this waiting energy, and it's making me extremely anxious, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. All right, we're going to go to the eyebrow point. I'm waiting for their text. And I'm really anxious right now. All this waiting, all this anxiety. I hate feeling this way. I wish I could just focus on myself. Collarbone. But I can't. This waiting and anxiety is taking up all of my time. I'm overthinking everything. What if I never hear from them again? What if they completely ghost me? I'm creating all these stories in my head, and they're making me even more anxious. I cannot escape this negativity in my mind. I acknowledge all of these thoughts and feelings. I'm checking my phone every few seconds, and that's okay. Because in this moment, my inner child is crying out for attention. They're crying out for connection. Back to the eyebrow point. The good news is I can connect with myself. I can give myself the connection and attention I need right now. I'm just so used to getting that attention from this person. But I know it doesn't have to be this way. So I choose to take a deep breath right now. I trust that I can self-soothe myself. I don't need this person to validate me. I'm complete and whole on my own. I'm releasing all the anxiety in my body. I'm letting go of all these stories in my head. I'm choosing to believe that I am a valuable person. My feelings matter. And what this person does is not a reflection of my self-worth. It's not a reflection of who I truly am. Because my worth does not lie in someone else's actions. I decide what my worth is. And I'm worthy exactly as I am. I'm whole, complete, and perfect just as I am right now. There's so much more to life than waiting for this person's text. I'm allowed to let go of this attachment. I'm letting go of all of this unhealthy attachment to this person. I'm choosing to enjoy my life right now. I'm so much more valuable than all this waiting around. If someone desires to be in my life, they will make it clear and known. And if they don't, it's their loss. Because I'm whole, complete, and happy as I am. I'm choosing peace over anxiety. I'm focusing on things that I can control. I'm letting go of all this overthinking. And I'm choosing to come back to my powerful center. I'm worthy of deep connection and love. And I'm giving all of that to me right now. I'm filling my own cup. And I choose to be so free. All right, let me know how that felt for you. Did your number go down? Are you less anxious about it? If it's still the same, don't worry about it. You can just do the tapping again. And all the links to work with me are at the link in my bio if you're on TikTok, or if you're on YouTube, it's linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Again, let me know if you have any other requests for any tapping videos in the future. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.